Hey guys, guess who? It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating probably the biggest solid-state radio ever manufactured. This is out of a 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. It comes from Scott in Penfield, Illinois. Scott has requested the modern FM conversion with Bluetooth function. And so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to FM at the moment. Let's turn it on.
To Joe's Furniture.
And I'm just going to run down the presets real quick.
500, 600, up to...
Played a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only
Joe's Furniture, enhance your home.
Our prices are the lowest we know of anyone that's...
hard work.
Okay, going to switch to AM real quick. We do that by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. And we get one strong AM station about the center of the dial.
All the snow is gone.
There's our strong AM station. So we'll just keep it on that since it's talk radio and I won't get nailed for copyright issues. We're going to demonstrate our virtual fader and balance functions. Going to activate our virtual front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the tone control to about the center position. So I've got room to turn to the right, and here we go.
0% APR for 60.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, let's switch to our output level mirror so we can see that this same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers, stop adjusting it.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now let's try the virtual balance control. Same procedure except we turn this control twice to the left to activate it, so let's try that. Here we go.
Zero security deposit.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. And now this same control is adjusting our left-right balance.
We'll take home the clear back giveaway. See of Gila River Hotels and Casinos. Visit dbax.com.
Balance set. Now, one thing I'll say about this particular unit, the tone control was broken. One section of the tone control has some breaks in the carbon wafer. So as you rotate the tone control, you'll feel a little bit of a catch here and there. Now, only one half of the control is required for use with the conversion product. So this little hitch does not affect the radio's operation. It's just something that is dragged along with the working stuff. There's no cause for alarm. There's no reason to think it's going to get any worse. So let's move on here. Let's go back to FM. No, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, here we go.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So now the unit's trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. In 90 seconds, she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's test the 8-track functions. We've got Neil Sedaka. Okay, we're coming up on the end of a song here. Let's switch tracks.
Never coming back.
Alrighty, pull the tape out, and the radio comes right back. Okay, we know the dial light's working. There's our dial light. When you push a tape in, that light goes off, of course. And make sure the panel lighting works. You can see those lights flashing on and off in response to my command. So that takes care of the... Now, one thing I'll mention, this model does have an eject button for the 8-track. I don't recommend using this button because it's a purely mechanical adjustment. You got to press it pretty hard, and since the front of it has a downward slant, when you press it in, it's going to want to go downward, and these things are really brittle and easy to break off. I have not formulated a replacement for these types of buttons yet. I may never. They're just too specialized. I don't think I could just make these out of metal. So we're just gonna. I would strongly recommend simply pulling the tape out if you can, rather than using that eject button. And everything's ready to go. She's cooled, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your ancient classic car AM radio. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, aux input, who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your unit in for service. So my website is in the description below, and my phone number, and this is for customers wanting to send a unit in for repair. This is not a number call looking for a belt, a part, or any kind of free repair advice. Just don't do it. My number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Scott, for your business clear from Illinois, and we'll see you guys next time.